My dear children, today we are going to discuss about trigonometry identities. In previous class, we discussed what is triangle, right angle triangle for the given from the given theta, opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse, then the t ratios, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and its reciprocals, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. After that, using the Pythagorean identity, we proved these three identities in previous class. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. From these three identities, if you need cos squared theta, then it becomes 1 minus sin squared theta. If you need sin square theta, it becomes 1 minus cos squared theta. So, from the first identity cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Next, from the second identity, if you need a secant squared theta, then it becomes 1 plus tan squared theta. In the tan square theta, in the pakam 1 plus tan square theta. From this third identity, suppose if you need tan squared theta, then what happened? It becomes the one anga poidutuna secant squared theta minus 1. From the third identity, if you need cosecant squared theta, bring this cot square theta to that side, we get 1 plus cot squared theta. If you need cot square theta, then the formula becomes cosecant square theta minus 1. So, from these three identities, we are writing cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. From the second identity, if you need secant square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is the formula. Tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. From the third identity, cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. So, if you are familiar with these things, definitely it is possible to do all the problems very easily. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Dear students, from the given table, the kuduthirukra table la irundhu, we are going to conclude some result which is very important for 1 mark questions. Notice the value of sine. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 2, 1. Therefore, sine theta, the value of sine theta is increasing from starting to end. So, sine theta, the value of sine theta is increasing. So, then the value of cos theta, it's the cos 0, the value of cos 0 is 1, but the value of cos 90 is 0. So, the value of cos theta starts from 1 and end with 0. So, this is decreasing. Sin theta oda value 0 la irundhu 1 ku poradhunala the value of sin theta is increasing in the table. But cos theta, the value of 1 is cos 0 is 1. From 1, the last value is 0. Therefore, the cos theta value is decreasing. What about tan theta? In the table, the value of tan theta is tan 0 is 0 and the last value is infinite. So, this is a strictly increasing. So, tan theta value is increasing in the table. So, finally, what is the result? The value of sin theta is increasing. The value of cos theta is decreasing. The value of tan theta is increasing 1. So, this is a very important thing for 1 mark question. Okay. Next, the first question, if tan A equal to 4 by 3, find other T ratios. இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தில் நீ எதை பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா the angle A. யூஸ்வலா எல்லா கொஸ்டினும் தீட்டா தீட்டான்னு வரும். தீட்டா தான் வரணும்னு இல்லை, இட் இஸ் நாட் ஸ்பெசிஃபை தீட்டா தான் வரணும்னு இல்லை, எது வேணா வரணும். இந்த ஆங்கிள் ஏ இருக்கிற இடத்துல இட் இஸ் வெதர் இட் இஸ் tan ஆல்ஃபா, tan பீட்டா, tan காமா, tan தீட்டா, tan ஏ, வாட் எவர் இட்ஸ் கம், அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி நீ ப்ராப்ளம் போடும். ஹியர் tan ஏ ஈக்குவல் டு 4/3. ஃபைண்ட் அதர் trigonometric ratios. அப்போ இதோட சொல்யூஷன் எப்படி போடணும்? நான் ஒரு ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள் ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ட்ரா ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள், ரைட் ஆங்கிள் at B, because here the angle is A, so I am going to take the angle A here. This is angle A. Right angle at B, this is angle C. Tan A, so the angle is A. From this angle, this is opposite side. நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லியாச்சு ஆங்கிள் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்கோ இங்க தீட்டா இல்ல, here is angle is A, தீட்டா வரதா தீட்டா, ஆங்கிள் A இருந்து நேரா ஒரு கோடு போட்டோம்னா அது ஆப்போசிட் சைடு, இது adjacent side. The longest side is hypotenuse. So you know very well the formula of tan A is what? Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side is here, which is equal to 4/3. In opposite it is 4. In adjacent side this is 3. Basically whatever the values given in the problem, it should be in the form of simplest form. Simplest form means, suppose the fraction 4/3, I am going to multiply the fraction by 2, numerator and denominator, we get the answer of 8/6. If 8/6, if we cut 2 3s are 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, it becomes 4/3. So we don't know the exact value of opposite side and adjacent side because it is given in the simplest form. So we don't know what is the exact answer. So for that purpose we are putting K here. So we don't know the exact value of opposite side and adjacent side because this is in the simplest form. So we don't know what are the factors here cancelled. So we are putting tan A equal to 4/3, opposite side as 4K and adjacent side as 3K. Now we want find the other ratios. Using this, I don't know what is hypotenuse. The formula of hypotenuse is, you know very well, root of opposite square 4K square and adjacent square plus 3K square, root of 16K square plus 9K square equal to root of 25K square, which is equal to the root of square root of 25 is 5 and K square is K. It should be only in positive because these are the length of the triangle. So the hypotenuse side is 5K. Now I am going to find the other ratios. First of all, I am going to find sin A. Don't put theta because here angle is A. Sin A. Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side 5. Opposite side is here. Opposite side is 4K. Opposite side is 4K. Hypotenuse 5K. K cancel, 4/5. Then what is cos A? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? 3K by hypotenuse 5K. K cancel, 3/5. And tan A already given. The value of tan A is already given in the problem. That is 4/3. 4/3. Now I want cosecant A. In previous classes I already told, if you think sin A, Simultaneously, you should remember cosecant A because the reciprocal of sin A is cosecant A. Here sin A is 4 by 5, its reciprocal is 5 by 4. Then cos, the reciprocal of cos A is secant A, then cos A is 3 by 5, its reciprocal is 5 by 3. Then third one is cot A, the reciprocal of tan A is cot A, this is 3 by 4. Thus we found all 6 ratios: sin A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, cot A, secant A. In this way we do all the problems. So this is the first question in NCERT 10th standard. The first method is we are using Pythagorean theorem, but in this case we are going to use identity only. Here they are giving tan A equal to 4 by 3. So this is the second method, lighter. This is the second method using identity. I want secant square A. We are having tan A. So secant squared A minus tan square A equal to 1. This is one identity. Now I want secant squared A, which is equal to 1 plus tan square A, which is equal to 1 plus, the value of tan A is 4 by 3. Then tan square A means you should square the value of tan A, 4 by 3 whole squared, which is equal to 1 plus 16 by 9. Taking 9 LCM, 9 into 1, 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25 by 9. I want secant A only. Taking square root 25 by 9, we get the answer 5 by 3. It should be positive value because I already told all the angles you take. Here the angle is A, all the angles lie between 0 degree to 90 degree in first quadrant only. So in first quadrant all the numbers are positive. We will discuss it later. Here the value of secant A is 5 by 3. Now tan A, tan A equal to 4 by 3, and the reciprocal values is cot A equal to 3 by 4. Now we are having secant A equal to 5 by 3 and its reciprocal is cos A, which is equal to 3 by 5. We found 4 ratios, remaining only 2. Now I am going to find sin squared. We are having one identity, cos square A plus sin squared A equal to 1. Usually we write cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, but the angle here is A, so we are using A, cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. We are having cos, then we need sin, then sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A, which is equal to sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. The value of cos A is 3 by 5 and it becomes 3 by 5 whole squared, which is equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. Taking 25 LCM, we get to 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16 by 25. I want sin A only. Taking square root 16 by 25, we get the positive value only 4 by 5 because it is in first quadrant. Therefore, the value of sin A equal to 4 by 5. We found sin A. Then the reciprocal of sin A is cosecant A, which is equal to 5 by 4, which is very easiest method comparing to the previous because of we are using the identity. Using the identity formula, we should do the problem very easily. Here we are going to solve the first problem, which is in standard 10 Cbse example 5. In triangle OPQ, right angled at P. So first of all, I am going to draw one right angle triangle. It is clearly given that angled at P, right angled at P. So right angled at P. Remaining OQ, wherever you want put OQ. So this is right angle at P. Given OP equal to 7 centimeter. That's all. Now solution part, given OP equal to 7, OQ minus PQ equal to 1. Put equation number 1 and equation number 2. They are asking sin Q and cos Q. So here the angle is theta. Theta is Q. It is here. Theta is Q. Now, using Pythagoras theorem in right triangle OPQ, we know that OQ square equal to OP square plus PQ squared. From 2, OQ equal to the PQ on the பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்துரு 1 plus PQ. This value I am going to put this in this equation. You put it as 3. OQ equal to 1 plus PQ. From 2 I am writing OQ equal to 1 plus PQ. Substituting in 3 we get, replacing this OQ as 1 plus PQ. So we have 1 plus PQ whole square equal to OP square. OP is 7 square plus PQ square. Now I am going to expand this as A plus B whole square formula. A plus B whole square formula is A squared plus B square plus 2AB, 2 into 1 into PQ, which is equal to 49. 7 square is 49 plus PQ squared. Now I am going to cancel PQ square. Here we are having 2PQ, which is equal to 49. Bring this one to that side, minus 1. 2PQ equal to 48. Now I want PQ. 48 by 2. இங்க இருந்தே கூட கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் 24. So the value of PQ equal to 24. Put the value of PQ 24 here. Then we need OQ. You know very well OQ minus PQ equal to 1. So 2 implies OQ minus PQ 24 equal to 1. Then the value of OQ equal to 24 plus 1, 25. So we find all the sides 7, 24. The OQ hypotenuse is 25. Now we want sin Q and cos Q. It is very easy. Sin Q opposite side by hypotenuse. Q இங்க இருக்கு இல்லையா, நேர கை, இது opposite side by hypotenuse. 7 by 25. Then the value of cos Q equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, 24 by 25. Now I am going to shoot one question. யாரெல்லாம் கரெக்டா ஆன்சர் பண்ணீங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம். I want sin O and cos O. The value of sin O and cos O I need. Find sin O, cos O. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் யாரெல்லாம் பண்றீங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம். O அப்படின்றது தான் அந்த theta. So you put theta here and find the answers. Okay. The next very important question for board examination is the first exercise 8.1, question number 11. Same as it has previous model, only in triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So first of all I am going to draw one right angle triangle which is right angle at Q. அப்ப ரிமைனிங் இருக்கிற PR நீ எங்க வேணா போட்டுக்கலாம். PR நான் இங்க போட்டுக்கிறேன், நீ இங்க P போட்டு அங்க R போட்டாலும் நோ ப்ராப்ளம். Value given PQ equal to 5. இது 5. So solution part, first of all draw one right angle triangle which is right angle at Q. The given value PQ is 5. Now write all the datas, given PQ equal to 5. PR plus QR equal to 25. This is equation number 1 and equation number 2. To find the value of QR and PR, I am going to use Pythagoras theorem. Here the angle is P, so you put angle P here. This is theta. Instead of theta, this is angle P. So the இங்க இருந்து நேரா அப்படி draw பண்ணனா, that is called opposite side. இது adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. Okay. In right triangle PQR, PR square equal to PQ square. PR square is hypotenuse. PQ square plus QR square. Now I am going to replace this PR as This is put equation number 3 from 2 ரெண்டாவது ஈக்குவேஷன்ல இருந்து I am going to find PR. PR is இந்த QR இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்தாச்சுன்னா 25 minus QR. This substituting in third equation இந்த வேல்யூ எடுத்து அப்படியே சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணு 25 minus QR போட்டாச்சா whole square which is equal to PQ squared. PQ, the value of PQ is 5. 5 squared plus QR square. நல்லா நோட்டீஸ் பண்ணினா இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல இத மாதிரி சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா QR மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும், மற்றதெல்லாம் நம்பர்ஸா இருக்கும். அப்போ இங்க லாஸ்ட்ல என்ன இருக்கு பார் QR. அப்போ இங்க இருக்கிற PR மாத்திரம்னா PR equal to 25 minus QR வந்தாச்சுன்னா சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணும்போது இந்த QR வந்து கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். இப்போ this is in the form of A minus B whole square formula. A squared plus B squared minus 2 into A 25 B QR equal to 5 squared 25 plus QR square. இப்போ வந்து என்ன தப்பு நடக்கும் அப்படின்னா மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இங்க இருக்கிற ஒரு 25க்கு ஸ்கொயர்ல இருக்கிற 25 அடிச்சிடுவாங்க. இது எல்லாமே பேசிக்ல வீக்கா இருக்கிறதுனால வர ப்ராப்ளம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள். ஸோ 25 ஸ்கொயர் it is possible to cut QR square and QR square. If we bring this QR square this side, it becomes QR minus QR square. So இது அப்படியே இங்க கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Now this is 25 squared is 625. This is 50 QR which is equal to 25. இது அங்க கொண்டு போய்டு இங்க கொண்டு வந்துரு. 625 minus 25 equal to 50 QR. 625 25 is 600 equal to 50 QR. 0 0 cut பண்ணியாச்சுனா QR is equal to 12. 12 5s are 60. The value of QR equal to 12. Now we have to find PR. Substitute the value of QR in this equation. So 2 implies we don't know what is PR. PR plus the value of QR is 12 equal to 25. Then PR equal to 25 minus 12, 3, 1, 13. So the value of PR is 13. Now we have to find the value of sin P. Sin P, sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin P, opposite side by hypotenuse, 12 by 13. Next cos P. Cos P equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, 5 by 13. Next to tan P, you know very well tan P is sin P by cos P. Both the denominator will cancel, 12 by 15. Otherwise it is what? Opposite side by adjacent side, 12 by 5. Suppose in the same problem in board exam, they will ask sin R, cos R, tan R, cosecant R, secant R, cot R. I need answers in comments. So complete these 2 questions. And similarly, there are so many problems in textbook. You do all the problems. Any doubt, put in comment. We will discuss in next class. Thank you.